Hutch, wait. Halt. Good. Halt. Good. No, halt. Good boy. Good. Halt. Good. Nuh-uh. Halt. Thank you. Happy dog. No, heel. Heel. Good boy. Heel. No, heel. Going this way. Halt. Good boy. Halt. Good boy. You don't have to peek around the corner. It's ridiculous. Good. Happy dog. Seats. 9. Seats. Seats. You can do it. There you go. Good. Let's go. So I noticed that yesterday while Hutch has his lesson, he was, he's still a bit reactive, obviously, with other dogs. And I want to be able to get into his head before he starts, like, the beeline for the other dog issue. So I'm going to be working this week with him on getting to him before he gets to the point of no return, so to speak. He will recall with e-collar pressure from literally fence fighting. He did that yesterday with a dog that was leaving the kennel while we were working him, and he will recall from it. I don't want to have to get him to that level. I want him to respond before. So I have a dog in a run over there, and she's a friendly lab. Hutch, let's go. Good. I just don't want him even looking over in that direction. That way I don't have to worry about him already being over threshold before I respond to him and have to correct him. Let's go. Let's go. There's lots more smells out here that he's not used to. So, let's go. Good boy. Good. Hutch, let's go. Good. So I am using, nope, let's go. Good. I'm using a couple taps with the e-collar. When he responds, no pressure. On a level that's going to get his attention. That way, he's more likely to take it seriously. But I'm not letting him get into overdrive. Let's go. Hutch, let's go. Let's go. Good. Good boy. Hutch, seats. Seats. Check that. All right, good. With me. Good. Heel. So, correcting for not listening. Correcting him for even looking with intent in that direction. You don't like gunshots either, huh? Let's go. Let's go. Good. It's chilly out here. What happened to the sun? Right? Hutch, let's go. Let's go. Good. Good boy. Let's go. Nice. No correction needed. Spun right around. Let's go. Good. Good job. I'm watching him, making sure those ears don't perk up, making sure his body language doesn't tell me he's gonna get stupid. Good boy. Hutch, come. Come. Good. Good boy. Seats. Nope. Oh no, he wanted foos. Good job, buddy. Very nice. Leave it. Thank you. Good. You don't have to plods. You just have to not look. Good. Let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Hutch, let's go. Too many smells. Let's go. Good job. No correction. Good boy. Nice. Happy dog. Happy dog. Happy dog. Happy dog. Happy dog. Good boy. That's what I want to see. Complete avoidance. Hutch, let's go. Let's go. Good. Let's go. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Let's go. Perfect. You're such a good boy. I think he's doing amazing. Let's go. He's more interested in smelling stuff back here. He's doing really, really good. I'm gonna put him back. I've been having him back here in the middle crate because I wanted him to see other dogs walk by. Halt. Good. Good. Heel. But his owners are going to have, good, leave it. His owners are going to have a very kennel. Halt. Good. Halt. Good. Happy dog. So, got him in here. Kennel up. Good. Good boy. So, this is what we want for him. It's just, hello, sweetie. You got kisses for me. You got kisses for me. That's my boy. That's my good boy. He's doing really, really well. Very happy with his progress. And then that way, he can just be in here, be calm, be quiet, no reaction. And, good boy. I'm in the room, I'm out of the room. I'm in the room, I'm out of the room. There's no, he doesn't stand up, he just chills out. And that's what we want. We want him to nice and relaxed in the crate.